So what up guys, this is my Pontiac G6 again. Just stay tuned. I'll show you how everything's going. So these decals, they're just placeholder right now. I'm gonna replace them with decals that are actually on the car. Tail lights, they're gonna be gone. I got brand new. I'm gonna get them tinted with a pattern. This is kind of why I want to redo my tail lights. This is a nightshade, but this one's way darker than this. 2 years of nightshades, this is what happened. But I'm just lazy and I bought some cheap tint and it did not work. My wheels, I love my wheels, love everything about them. So it's gonna be purple, red, yellow. That's very bold, but you'll understand in the future, okay? I wish I had spike lug nuts because I like the spike look, so I want spike lug nuts. And then I want slotted rotors. So I can either get spike lug nuts, which probably costs like just the same. I could probably get slotted rotors for it. Which one will have the best visual impact? Who knows? So let's go to interior. You guys are gonna have questions on what the heck is the interior and why it looks like this. I'm working on my interior. I love my dashboard. This is actually just plasti dip. I got red matte, and then my door, I was doing a test and I just tested out the top to see how well the plasti dip holds up, and it holds up beautiful. What I didn't do, I forgot to prep the surface. Bottom is actually going to be wrapped in velvet, similar to my roof lining. It's going to be wrapped in velvet like my roof lining. Plastic dip, the blue is going to be gone. I do a lot of tests to see what works so I can save money. And I like the feel of the plastic dip. It matches my dashboard beautifully. I do have springs on my car. They're red, have Rally Armor mud flaps. This wing everybody asks me about. Only problem I have is a little chipping. I'm going to fix that with some plastic dip. Plastic dip never fails me. That's part of the kit, but I just plastic dipped it black and then I outlined it with this red. Everybody has that moment when their car looks junky, and for me, it's all the mods. So let's take a look. Got my new tail lights, my wink mirror just installed up there, right there. Looks nice. Neons for engine bay, black plastic dip for my front bumper, which you'll see I'm gonna do a custom splitter. I got a test marker. I want to test this marker out, see how well it does on tires. And then fake license plate right there for my car. It's Arya. So this is gonna go. Yes, that looks nice. And then I'll have my front back on there. Idiot drove my car and cracked it when I freaking took it to a shop, and since I put it on there, can't charge them for it. That is my Pontiac G6. Comment down below, I'll answer any of your questions. Try to update and show you guys what it's supposed to be. Designs and the decals, aesthetics, not performance parts. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Peace.
Should've known that this was too heavy. My love's too heavy. I could say fuck that.